esteemed dignitaries, respected teachers, and non-teaching staff. Our beloved students of classes 11 and 12. Today, we celebrate achievements.
Part of this excellent award.
May I request their parents to please come forward with Yukta Soumya Shri Reddy for her extraordinary performance in all the 5 subjects in mathematics stream. So she is Yukta Soumya Shri Reddy, subject topper, and she is the highest scorer in mathematics, physics, chemistry, computer science, and English. A big congratulations to Yukta Soumya Shri. Parents, I request our honorable chief guest, Mr. Ellen Surivanshi, and our respected principal sister to please do the honor. The parents to please come forward with eagle ashes to share the academic excellence in biology subject. And I request our respected chief guest and respected principal sister to please do the honor. A huge round of applause. Eagle Ashley for scoring highest marks in biology.
Now next is the optional subject. In optional subject we are having Hindi. In the Hindi the parents, I request our respected dignitaries to do the honor. Huge round of applause for Pragya Tiwari. I request Hima Chandra along with her parents to come on the stage and receive the subject for her excellence award.
A huge round of applause for Dimas for scoring highest mark in Aquatic Commerce. Miss Ikra, I request the parents to please come forward to share the momentous occasion.
Miss Ishika Dhandiana of 12 Commerce. So I request Mani Pandey along with the parents to come on the stage to receive the excellence award for the subject of economics. Give a huge round of applause for Manya Pandey for achieving the highest marks in economics.
We are having 3 streams, mathematics, biology, and commerce. So the topper among these streams, so we are going to announce our mathematics. So from mathematics, we are having
Any guesses, students? Yes, it's Yukta Soumya Reddy. A huge round of applause for Yukta Soumya Reddy. two students. First is Miss from Science Group. From Science Group we have Miss Muskan Prajapati. Give a huge round of applause for her.
This is her hard work, perseverance, and definitely the dedication. She actively participates
She is actively participating in academics, other cultural activities. A huge round of applause for her for Miss Seema Chandra.
a big congratulations to each and everyone who are now proud.
निकाले बोला सर बचे ना सर जाओ आप जाओ सर इस बार बचा जाओ
Graduation cap, certificate, and medal on this momentous occasion. Ma'am, do you have any idea related to the title we have given to Anish?
Yes, ma'am, we have an idea and we sure have given a title. So, Mr. Anish Mandal has been given the title of Innocent Sportsman. Master Anish,
Please come forward.
Master Arpit Desai.
Master Arpit Desai has been titled as, he has been given the title as Gifted Skills. Gifted Skill. So in the future we expect from Arpit, please use your skills to get success in the career. Any guesses, ma'am, regarding the title given to Ayush Sirka?
Yes, ma'am. Master Ayush Sirka has been given the title of Reserve Nature. Give a huge round of applause, students.
बहती हवा सा था वो उड़ती पतंग सा था वो
Given the title Reserve Nature Board.
कहाँ गया
For the same we identified Master C.S. Ramakrishna. According to his skills, we are expecting that he will become
अपनी
Future Einstein. So, Master C.S. Ramakrishna Sharma has been given the title of Future Einstein.
हमको कल की फिक्र
Let
सता
all the friends give the new kind of talk to your friends only. They are your friends, classmates.
है को खुल के जीता था
Applause is must. Next is must for the stage. We are going to invite Master Kiran Ambassador. Any ideas?
Yeah, ma'am. In the hill, we have given him a the title of Imaginator. So, Master Kirat has been given the title of Imaginator.
He is always in his imagination world, so we have given this title to Master Kirat. Moving forward, may I invite Master Mavi Sahu for the same. Master Mavi Sahu.
Master Mahavir Sahu has been given the title of Team Leader.
के जैसा रेगिस्तान में गाँव के
Team
जैसा
leader.
मन के
As a good leader, if it is going to use this capacity in the future, definitely he can win. Congratulations, sir.
घाटे कुएं में
Moving forward,
या में गोते लगाता
invite
Miss Muskan Prajapati.
करता था
so
Any idea? Miss Muskan Prajapati has been given the title of
Miss Dynamic.
से ढूंढूं हमको तो राहें थी चलाती वो खुद अपनी राह
Moving
बनाता
forward for the same, may I invite Miss Dynamic Singh. Please come forward.
Miss Raj Lakshmi Singh.
फिक्र सताती वो बस
Raj Lakshmi Singh has been given the title of
लम्हे को खुल के जीता था वो
He is always silent in the class, so we have given the title as Silent Queen.
छुके हमारे दिल को कहा गया उसे
From Church, Evan, please come forward.
Master Saksham Kumar Sir.
Has been titled as
Any idea, ma'am?
Mr. Elegant Showstopper.
Yes, Mr. Elegant Showstopper has been given the title to Master Saksham Kumar Sir.
For the same, we are going to invite Master Sanjay Kumar Sahu from class 12, A1.
बहती हवा सा था वो
He has been titled as, really this title
उड़ती
is allowed for
पतंग
me.
सा था वो
In the future, we should not go for the same. So we have given a special title to our boy, Sanjay Kumar Sahu. That is, ma'am,
Attendance Survivor. Attendance Survivor has been given the title to Master Sanjay Kumar Sahu.
for the same, we are going to invite Miss Shreya Talwar to please come forward.
Miss Shreya Talwar.
So she has been given the title as Miss
Drama Queen.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हाय कुछ करिए
Yes. Miss Drama Queen title is given to Miss Shreya Talwar.
Moving forward for the same, may I invite Miss Christy Brady to please come forward for the same.
या मरिए हाय कोई तो चले
Miss Christy Brigade.
करिए या मरिए शक दे
So any guesses, ma'am?
No, ma'am. Thank you very much. She's been given the title of
Silent Observant.
Silent Observant has been given the title to Miss Christy Brady.
For the same,
लड़ती पतंगों में
let's invite
लड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पल
Meta
खाते दिलों
Village
में
to please come
गन्नों
forward.
के मीठे में
Miss
खद्दर में
Shweta
छींटे
Village.
में ढूंढो तो मिल जाए तब
a
ताबो
special title has been given to Miss Rajini, that is, and
That's water, water, water. Well, hi.
ऐसी होती रग रग मचल के बोली टस है ना मस है जी
moving forward for the same, may I invite Master
किसना
Tushar
यूं
Kumar
ही किसना
Prasad.
यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए
He asked to give a special title to
चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाँ कोई तो चल जिद फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए
Definitely, no? But the title and given extraordinary personality of our class. Dr. Tushar Kumar Kashyap is given the title of extraordinary personality. Moving forward, we are having our last interview that is going to be from our classmate. Miss Yukta Soumya Sri Reddy. So I think all are having the knowledge related to Yukta. She is the highest scorer on the math stream. She has been given the title, ma'am. Any idea?
It was difficult, but indeed we have got the title for Yukta, that is Ring with Grace. Ring with Grace.
A huge round of applause to all the students from math stream. Moving forward to the biology stream, we are having our first candidate from biology stream, Miss Angel Ashe. I request Miss Angel Ashe to please come forward. And she has been given a special title. Definitely she requires a title. So ma'am,
We have two titles, ma'am, for her, but we will say one. She's been given title of the Singing Diva.
singing diva of our class, Miss Angel Ashe.
And also a short stopper.
Moving forward for the same, may I invite Miss Bharti Patel from biology stream. Miss Bharti Patel. Title we have decided for her. Definitely she deserves the title, I think.
Yes, ma'am. So Miss Bharti Patel has been given the title of Fashionable Chili Sauce.
Very difficult for us to decide each and every title for the students.
And she's moved in today also with the fashionable.
Any guesses for Diksha?
Yes, ma'am. Miss Diksha Patel has been given the title of Chulbuli Pandey. Chulbuli Pandey.
Today you have to show the energy. Don't stop clapping. You have to clap for each and everyone because they are your classmates only. Moving forward for the same, may I invite Miss Disha Kujur to please come forward. For Disha also, I was just thinking what title we have to give her.
With great discussion, we have got the title as Miss Disha Kujur is given the title of PCB.
Always buzzing here and there. So PCB is the title given to Miss Disha Kujur. For the same, let's invite to please come forward.
Miss Esther Singh. She is been given the title of man. What is the title?
Miss Boss Mode Teddy Bear. This is the title given to Miss Esther Singh, that is Miss Boss Mode. Always ready. She is always in a boss mode, but along with this, we have given Teddy Bear too. Really, she is so cute. She has been given the title as
Miss Elegant. So Nisha Patil has been given the title of Miss Elegance.
Moving forward for the stage, we are having Master Krishna, please come forward.
And Master Krishna Kasar has been given the title of Man.
For me it was very difficult to decide, but still, Mr. Chatterbox of the class, Master Krishna.
Kashyap has been given the title of Mr. Chatterbox.
For the same, may I invite Miss Roshni Prajapati to please come forward.
Miss Roshni Prajapati
And been given the title
of Miss Charming. Roshni Prajapati is given the title of Miss Charming.
हर कोशिश में हो बार बार कर दरियाओं को आर पार आशाएं
Students, please give a huge round of applause. Each and every student, please.
Miss Nayami from Bharati Singh.
Nayami is given the title of Innocent.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, respected sister, for doing the honor. Memento and short as a token of love from our Nirmala CBSE school. So this we want to show our love and affection. Thank you so much, ma'am, for being the part of today's occasion. Please escort our ma'am. Thank you so much, sister. May I request our respected speakers to come forward for the stage. We are going to continue the award ceremony. Shreya Singh. So, any questions, ma'am? What title you have given to Miss Shreya?
Yes, ma'am. Miss Shreya Singh has been given the title of
Cooperative and courteous. She's very cooperative and courteous. And I'm sorry for the that we have not announced for Shreya Singh. Shreya Singh has been given the title as Innocent. Christy Giri, to please come forward.
Miss Christy Giri. Miss Christy Giri has been given the title of
Miss Gorgeous Glow.
So Miss Christy Giri is given the title of Miss Gorgeous Glow.
ऐसी हर रात रात हो ख्वाहिशों से बात बात आशाएं
Moving forward for the stage, may I invite Miss Neha Bandikar to please come forward.
कुछ ऐसा
Miss Neha Bandekar.
खुद खुश
Has been given the title Miss Versatile.
Yes, Neha Bandekar has been given the title of Miss Versatile.
For the stage, we are going to invite Miss Soumya Nath to please come forward for the stage. Miss Soumya Nath from Bharati Singh. She has been given a special title according to her skills. Ma'am,
Yes, she will give the title of Makeup Encyclopedia. Miss Soumya Nath has been given the title of Makeup Encyclopedia.
for the same, may I invite Miss forward for the same. So hereby we are going to end up with the biology stream. Our student from biology stream who is having the last roll number is Miss Kriti Sahu. Miss Kriti Sahu of bio stream. Miss Kriti Sahu is given the title of Organized Stream.
यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने अब जाना है
Here we have ended the math and science stream students. Here we are going to the common stream. So, the next student is Master Arav Rathod from the common stream. Master Arav Rathod is given the title of math. Next name, Mastermind of the class. Always having innovative ideas in his mind, so he has given the title as Mastermind. So Arav Rathod is given the title of Mastermind. Moving forward, the same. May I call upon Master Anil Ansari. Master Anil Ansari has been given the title of Material.
मुश्किल कोई
He is given the title of Material.
पर्वत कोई टकराए तो ताकत कोई
For the same,
दिखलाए
let's
तो
invite Miss Anjali Yadav to please stand forward. Miss Anjali Yadav
कोई आ जाए तो पर्वत
has been given the title and yes ma'am. Yes ma'am, it was difficult but indeed Miss Anjali Yadav has been given the title of Amiable. She's been given the title of Amiable. She's always having lots of dreams. She wants to really reach to the top. For the next, may I invite Miss Ankita Soni. Miss Ankita Soni. Miss Ankita Soni is given the title as Twinkle Toes. She's been given the title of Twinkle Toes. Miss Ankita Soni.
क्या फासले मंजिल लगे आगे गले हिम्मत से जो कोई चले
Master Arman the please come forward. Master Arman Sethi.
तेरा काम तू चल यूं ही
Any questions? Boy, yes, ma'am. Yes. Master Arman Sethi is given the title Best in Sport. A huge round of applause for them. For all the students. For the same, let's invite Miss Beena Kumari Sahu to please come forward. Miss Beena Kumari Sahu. She has been given the title
यही रास्ता है तेरा तूने
Silent Observant. She has been given the title Silent Observant.
यही सपना है तेरा तूने पहचाना है तुझे अब ये दिखाना है
Miss Bhavika Pandit is been given the title of Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, please and it is Sima Chana, please come forward. She has been given the title Management. Yes, ma'am. Miss Sima Chandra is been given the title of Brave Trauma. She is given the title of Brave Trauma. forward.
Miss Ishika Bindyaraj. Miss Ishika Bindyaraj is being given the title of Artistic. She's been given the title of Artistic as she's very good in artistic.
For the same, let's invite Miss Kritika Thakur to please come forward for the same.
Miss Kritika Thakur. Miss Kritika Thakur has been given the title of
According to her name, thoughtful one. She's always thinking aloud and having innovative ideas, so we have given the title thoughtful one.
and also supported for her classmates. So Miss Kritika Thakur has been given the title of Thoughtful One.
Moving forward in the same, let's invite
Kumari Lalima Rathore. Kumari Lalima Rathore. Lalima Rathore has been given the title of
charming beauty of the class. Charming beauty.
She has been given the title of Charming Beauty.
रुकना नहीं तेरे इरादों की कीमत कम नहीं
For the same, let's invite Kumari Tejal Mani to please come forward.
Kumari Tejal Mahan.
जिद का जुनून है हर का सवाल नहीं
Kumari Tejal Mahan is been given the title of Delightful. She is being given the title of Delightful.
में रोशनी संग है सवेरा
Miss Manya Pandey.
Please come forward for the same. We have given the title and the idea man.
Yes, ma'am.
खुद को मत खोने दे आसमां भी झुकेगा तेरे नाम से तेरी पहचान गूंजेगी हर धाम से मत डर मत रुक ये वक्त तेरा
Mohammed Nasir Yassin, please come forward. And we have decided to take this title for the brain that is the spy of the class.
Mohammed Nasir is being given the spy of the class.
He is only collecting all the information. Isn't it the way? So moving forward to see, let's invite
Miss Niharika Pandey. Miss Niharika Pandey.
मुश्किलें पर
we
हौसले
have
मेरे
given the
साथ
title man.
आंधियों से लड़ूं
Miss Niharika Pandey is being given the title of Sympathetic.
गिर कर भी उठना
Very emotional student.
चालू है
मंजिल मेरी है रुकूंगा नहीं
Moving
तूफान
Silent Saga.
मैं झुक
Given the title of Silent Saga.
सपनों की डगर पर कदम बढ़ाऊं हर हार को जीत में बदल दिखाऊं
Moving forward to the same, I invite Master Piyush Singh to please come forward. Master Piyush Singh. And Master Piyush Singh has been given the title
जोश
of
है जज्बा
Silent Observer.
है मजबूर
Given the title of Silent Observer.
मैं हूँ
Master Piyush
मिलकर
Singh.
जीवन है संग्राम में वीर सिपाही
Tiwari has been given the title Sahiban for your teacher. Next is Miss Rani Roy. Miss Rani Roy. Miss Rani Roy has been given the title of Dancing Doll. This is the title of Dancing Doll.
सूरज सा चमकूंगा पसीना ही
It is running an entire classes by Saturday.
मेरा धर्म हर चुनौती को मानूं मैं अपने कर
Moving forward to the stage, let's invite Master Ravi Kumar Sahu. Please come forward. Master Ravi Kumar Sahu. Master Ravi Kumar Sahu. Yes, man, is always ready for one thing. And he's been given the title for that one thing only. And that is the best bike rider. So Ravi Kumar Sahu has been given the title of best bike rider. But after this, let's moving forward to the next invite Master Regal Selekta. So please come forward. Master Regal Selekta. He's been given the title of Introvert. He's been given the title of Introvert. Clapping for your students, your friends, your classmates. Now moving forward, let's invite Miss Rizim Ekta to please come forward. Miss Rizim Ekta. Miss Rizim Ekta has been given the title of Serene. She's been given the title of Serene. Miss Rizim Ekta.
लहरों से लड़ना यही है सफर तूफानों को चीर दूं हो चाहे असर
Let's invite Miss Sakina Banu to please come forward. Miss Sakina Banu. And she has been given the title.
Yes, ma'am. She's been given the title of Miss Sakina Banu is given the title of Skylight. She's been given the title of Skylight.
तूफान से ऊपर उड़ूं मैं हमेशा हवा से भी तेज रोशनी जैसा आंधियों से कह दूं रुकना नहीं मंजिल मेरी है झुकना नहीं
Let's invite Miss Suman Sahu to please come forward. Miss Suman Sahu.
अंधेरे में चमकता मेरे
Has been given the title.
जितनी
What do you have in mind?
Yes, ma'am. So Miss Suman Sahu has been given the title of Blooming Flower.
So I think we are having the last candidate.
चमकती डगर
That is, let's invite
Master Swati Mahan.
मेरी जीत की गूंज जहां तक जाए
and he has been given the title. Master Swasti Mahan has been given the title of Happy Go Lucky.
Master Swati Mahan has been given the title of Happy Go Lucky.
So you're going to end up with the ceremony that we have given the graduation cap.
School, and Mrs. Smita Nair, Principal of Jet Public School, for giving their precious time. Also, we are deeply grateful to you, Sir and Ma'am, for being a part of our auspicious occasion. To our guiding light, respected Principal Sister Navina Mehri, thank you, Sister, for your visionary leadership, constant support, and encouragement. You are the driving light behind every successful step we take as a school. We also sincerely thank you, respected Vice Principal and Manual Sister Vidya Mehri. A very special note of appreciation goes to our respective Reverend Sister Sayoja Mehri and Excellency Mehri, whose prayer, quiet strength, spiritual wisdom continue to guide our school community every single day. Thank you, Ram Sir, for instilling in our students the value of integrity, leadership, and service. To our talented choir team, thank you for elevating today's ceremony with your soulful and uplifting performance. I would also like to offer a special words of thanks to respected Sabrina Ma'am, Hima Ma'am, Dipti Ma'am, Sheila Ma'am, Chitralekha Ma'am, Asim Sir, Bharat Sir, Gopal Sir, and class teachers of 11th, Jay Sir and Ranjit Sir, and all our respected teachers for their wholehearted support and involvement in today's program. Your presence and efforts are deeply appreciated. A big thanks goes to our proud parents and guardians for your constant trust and support that means everything to us. And I would also like to thank the technical team, class 11 students, non-teaching staff who had given their complete cooperation and support to arrange the events in successful manner. Thank you and have a great day ahead.
Thank you.
इसका मतलब ये हुआ कि अगर अपना एक कम होता तो बराबर होता। नहीं सरदार, मतलब अगर उनका एक जास्ती होता तो बराबर होता ना। दो और तुम तीन, एक आदमी एक्स्ट्रा था। कौन था एक्स्ट्रा? कौन था? क्यों नहीं बिरजू? जब ये दो आदमी वहां जा रहे थे, तीन के साथ लटक के जाना जरूरी था। मेरे भाई की शादी थी। और बिरजू सरदार, हम वहां डांडिया खेलने नहीं गए थे कि पार्टनर ढूंढते। तुमने तो कहा था दो से बेटर है तीन। से बेटर तीन। कालिया, ये दो कितना होता है? ये एक है। ये एक और एक जब मिल जाते ना सरदार तो दो होते हैं। दो और तीन। सरदार, जब दो में एक जमा होता है तो वो तीन होता है। बहुत कंफ्यूजन है। ये मीना। अरे कौन तो कंफ्यूजन नहीं है सरदार। अगर तक पड़े होते तो आज ये नौबत नहीं आती। हर कोई अनपढ़ है। ऊपर से तुमने ठाकुर का हाथ काट दिया। अब वो चौक और स्लेट पकड़े तो कैसे? कैसे? बड़ी मुश्किल से वो मौलाना का छोकरा, क्या नाम है उसका, अहमद को लेके आए थे। गांव में सबसे ज्यादा बड़ा कुछ हो रहा था वो, लेकिन नहीं, उसको भी मार दो। एक महीने तक उसको अपने पास रखा तो आज गिनती आती, लेकिन नहीं, मार दो मार दो। अब क्या चलेंगे? सब कुछ बताना जरूरी है। सॉरी सरदार। ये बता, होली कब है? कब है होली? कब है होली? चार को है। ये चार दो के बाद आता है, ये तीन के पहले। बसंती के सामने मत नाचना। अरे कैसे नहीं नाचेगी? हमने पैसे दिए। नाच, नाच। मजा नहीं आ रहा है। गब्बर को 2026 में लाए गया।
3 घंटे का टाइम था, ऐसे बीत गया जैसे पता ही नहीं चला हो। बेटे, मेरी एक सीख याद रखना, हमेशा कभी निराश मत होना और आगे बढ़ते रहना। धन्यवाद।